Do you know Jesus says, "Do not be afraid, I am with you"? This one sentence can shift the entire direction of your life. When you feel tired, when the path gets heavy, when people doubt your worth, his message reminds you that you are never walking alone. Every challenge you face isn't meant to break you, it's meant to build you. Jesus taught, "Ask and you will receive." That means your effort, your prayers, your pain, none of it is ignored. You are seen, you are heard, you are guided. If you've fallen, rise stronger. If you feel broken, understand that a new chapter is beginning. Jesus brings light, and light never fears darkness. From today forward, choose strength, choose courage, choose progress. You walk with the one who never fails, and that means your victory is already written.